Now the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 can be found out by the methods of factorization, method of completing square, or using the quadratic formula. So for finding the roots, let us assume we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can find by three methods, that is by factorization and by the method of completing squares and using the quadratic formula. So if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we have seen the values of x given by is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is how we can find the root of the quadratic equation. Now we will study the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Remember, let us assume case 1. If b square minus 4ac is less than greater than 0. Now here b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. If it is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. That means when we solve this kind of equation having b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. That means we get two different values of x, and the values will be x is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and another value is minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is one nature of the root. So here b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. So discriminant is found to find out the nature of the root. So to find the nature of the root, we need to find the discriminant first. Now what is discriminant? Discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. If the discriminant value is greater than 0, then we can tell the roots are real and distinct, and the roots are given by the formula minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b comma minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is case 1. And case 2. Case 2. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal. The roots are real and equal. So we get equal roots. So the values of the roots will be x is equal to minus b by 2a and x is equal to minus b by 2a. Now case 3. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real roots. That is, the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. So this session is about studying the nature of the roots. So here we have the nature of the roots. Now exercise 5.4 is based on solving the nature of the roots. So students are supposed to copy the question from the textbook. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, find them. So what is given? We need to find the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, we need to find the value of the discriminant. And the discriminant value d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If the roots are real, we need to find the roots. Now let us take the first problem. Exercise 5.4. The first one. We need to find the nature of the roots. So the given equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here comparing the values. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. So to find the nature of the roots, first we need to find the value of d. D value is given by b square minus 4ac. Now let us find d is b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, c value is 5. So 3 square is 9 minus 8 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So 9 minus 40. So 9 minus 40 is minus 31 and minus 31 is less than 0. So minus 31 and minus 31 is less than 0. If d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. So we cannot find the roots in this case, are imaginary. Is it clear? So if d value is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Moving to the second problem. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here a value is 3, b value is minus 4 root 3 and c value is 4. So to find the nature of the roots, we need to first find the value of d. D value is b square minus 4ac. So d value is b square minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3, b value is 4. So d value is 16 into 3 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3 is 48. So d value is 48 minus 48. So d value is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, then the nature of the roots are equal. Then the roots are equal. Real and equal. Now we can find the value. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b. So here b value is minus of minus 4 root 3 plus under root of minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 into b value is 4 by 2a. 2 times a is, so x is equal to 4 root 3 plus under root of plus or minus 48. 16 into 3, 48 minus 48 by 6. So x value is 4 root 3 plus this becomes 0, 4 root 3 by 6. So the values are 2 by 3. 2 ones, 2 threes. Okay. So here we can write 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So root 3 goes, the values are 2 root 3. So the roots are equal and they are equal. So roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Moving to the third question from the textbook. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Third question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this problem we are supposed to find the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, let us first compare it with the coefficients. Here a value is 2, b value is minus 6 and c value is 3. To find the nature of the roots, we need to find d value as b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So d value is 6 square is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s 8 3s are 24. So d value is equal to 12. So 12 is greater than 0. So if 12 is greater than 0, if d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. So let us find the values of the roots now. So x value, the roots value minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b. So minus b is minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2a. By 2 times a is 2 times 2. So x is equal to plus 6 plus or minus root 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24 by 4. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24. So 36 minus 24 is 12, root 12 by 4. So here we will get the values as root 12 can be written as 2 root. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 4 into 3 by 4. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. So x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4, and x value is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. If I take 2 common, so you will get 3 plus root 3 by 4. So here we will get the values as 3 plus root 3. If I take 2 common, 3 minus root 3 by 4. So cancelling with 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 2s. So we will get 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So here the roots are therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So with this 5.4 first problem is completed. Thank you.